Let's continue. Practice problem number 19. Detergents react with dirt and oils on clothes to make them soluble in water for cleaning. What reaction type is involved? So we're given detergents dissolve dirt and oils in water. Required type of reaction, solution, surfactants, breakdown grease, emulsification. Final answer, cleaning reaction or emulsification. Practice problem number 20. When gasoline burns in car engine, energy is released, producing carbon dioxide and water. What type of reaction is this? So we're given gasoline reacts with oxygen to release CO2, H2O, and energy. Required type of reaction, solution, hydrocarbon reacted with oxygen, you produce CO2 and H2O. Final answer, combustion reaction. MCQ, chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 5, chemical reactions in everyday life, baking, cleaning, and burning. Problem A, MCQ number 1. Which type of chemical reaction occurs when baking soda reacts with vinegar, releasing carbon dioxide gas? A. Decomposition. B. Neutralization. C. Acid carbonate reaction. D. Combustion. MCQ number 2. When bread dough rises due to the release of carbon dioxide during fermentation, the reaction involved is mainly A. Oxidation, B. Decomposition, C. Acid-base reaction, D. Combustion. MCQ number 3. The cleaning action and soap involves breaking down grease into smaller particles. This process is classified as A. Physical change, B. Acid-base reaction, C. Neutralization reaction, D. Saponification. MCQ number 4. Burning wood in a fireplace is an example of which type of reaction? A. Decomposition, B. Combustion, C. Neutralization, D. Precipitation. Number 5. Which type of reaction happens when calcium carbonate in baking powder breaks down upon heating to release carbon dioxide gas? Letter A, combustion. Letter B, decomposition. C, neutralization. D, oxidation. MCQ number 6. The reaction of hydrochloric acid with calcium carbonate in bathroom tiles removing limescale is A. Acid on metal, B. Acid carbonate reaction, C. Combustion, D. Neutralization. MCQ number 7. The tarnish on silverware is removed by a reaction between aluminum foil and baking soda. This is an example of A. Combustion, B. Redox reaction, C. Acid carbonate reaction, D. Neutralization. Number 8. When ethanol in alcoholic beverages burns, it undergoes A. Decomposition, B. Combustion, C. Neutralization, D. Acid carbonate reaction. Number 9. Which type of reaction is involved when lemon juice is used to clean rust from iron surfaces? A. Acid carbonate, B. Acid-metal reaction. C. Combustion. D. Neutralization. MCQ number 10. Which chemical reaction helps cakes become fluffy during baking? A. Neutralization. B. Acid carbonate reaction. C. Combustion. D. Saponification. MCQ number 11. The process of burning charcoal in a barbecue grill is classified as A. Neutralization, B. Combustion, C. Decomposition, D. Oxidation. MCQ number 12. When soap is made by reacting fat with sodium hydroxide, this chemical reaction is called A. Decomposition, B. Neutralization, C. Saponification, D. Combustion. MCQ number 13. Using vinegar to unclog a drain by reacting with sodium baking soda is an example of A. Acid metal reaction, B. Acid carbonate reaction, C. Combustion, D. Decomposition. MCQ number 14. The fizzing sound and bubbles produced when acid cleaners react with carbonate deposits is due to A. Oxygen gas release, B. Hydrogen gas release, C. Carbon dioxide gas release, D. Nitrogen gas release. MCQ number 15. The burning of a candle involves which type of reaction? A. Combustion, B. Neutralization, C. Acid carbonate, D. Saponification. MCQ number 16. Which type of reaction occurs when bleached sodium hypochlorite is used for cleaning stains? A. Combustion, B. Reduction reaction, C. Neutralization, D. Decomposition. MCQ number 17. When baking soda is added to cake batter, which gas is released during the reaction that causes rising? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. MCQ number 18. The burning of LPG, the liquefied petroleum gas in stove, is an example of A. Combustion, B. Decomposition, C. Acid-metal reaction, D. Neutralization. Number 19. Which chemical reaction is responsible for the browning of bread during baking? Maillard reaction. A. Acid-base reaction, B. Neutralization, C. Combustion, D. Complex reaction between amino acids and sugars. MCQ number 20. Cleaning methods using an acidic solution involves which type of reaction? A. Combustion, B. Acid-metal reaction, C. Acid carbonate reaction, D. Neutralization. The answer key for less chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 5, chemical reactions in everyday life, baking, cleaning, and burning is as follows from number 1 to number 5. Number 6 to number 10. Number 11 to 15. Number 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.